Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Spotify notification settings. First, open Spotify and go to Settings. Now scroll down to the Notifications section. Here, you can see different notification categories available on Spotify. At the top, you'll find email and push notifications. Next, there are music and artists, podcasts and shows, and audiobooks notifications. You can also find social features, including messages, comments reactions, and comments replies. Next, there is Jams, which includes notifications about jams you're in or can join. You'll also find live concerts and events, and virtual events for event updates. Spotify also includes Spotify Experiences Made for You, which provides personalized Spotify experiences. Further down, you can see merchandise, cultural news, and Spotify features and tips. There are also Spotify offers and bundles, surveys, and prompted experiences. You can scroll through this page to view all available notification categories. To change a notification setting, simply use the available switch or option next to it. Turn notifications on when you want to receive updates, or turn them off when you don't want them. Once you've finished changing your preferences, you can leave the settings page, and that's how you can change Spotify notifications on Spotify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Spotify tutorials.